Hello, I'm Rick Cutter with Cloud for Utilities. Welcome. Today, I'm going to have a nice discussion with Caitlin Aburrow from Oracle. Good morning, how are you?
Good morning. Good.
Can you tell our viewers just a little bit about the cool job you have at Oracle?
And it is indeed a cool job. It's a fun job. I lead product marketing for Oracle Utilities, so all of the utility products, all the way from the network and network operations, all the way out through customer experience. My team is responsible for global product marketing for all those solutions, so we get to work with our customers around the world and really understanding what their challenges are, how our solutions can help them solve those challenges.
Yeah, that's definitely a cool job.
Yeah.
That's cool. Tell me, I know that Oracle's very focused on the cloud the last few years, and obviously Cloud for Utilities, we're interested in that. So can you tell us a little more about some of the things y'all are doing, some of the progress you're making with that new strategy?
Yeah, so we have been focused heavily on the cloud across Oracle. Within Oracle Utilities, we really want to take advantage of all the momentum that we're gaining because of Oracle's leadership in cloud. For our utility focus, we're really focused on using the cloud to deliver three really key benefits that we see are going to be really important for utilities going forward. So one, lowering cost. We should absolutely be leveraging the cloud to standardize, automate wherever we can to pull costs out of especially those systems of record where we just don't need those big project costs and that long-term maintenance cost so much anymore. Second is improving security and reliability of those systems. So our Oracle Cloud team, our team of, it's at 2,100 now Cloud Ops experts, running those solutions so that utilities IT teams can focus on projects that really drive innovation and value into the business. When I think about security and I think about the importance of keeping up on patches and stuff, in the SaaS world, that's on us. That is our job to make sure that across our solutions, they are up to date, they are secure, they are resilient. And the third area then is unlocking the door to so much innovation. So at Oracle, broader Oracle, we pour $6 billion a year into R&D in the latest technologies across AI and machine learning and others. And at Oracle Utilities, we invest over $80 million a year in just utility-specific innovation. And through SaaS, through our SaaS applications, we're able to deliver all of that innovation back into those solutions really quickly and release new versions as quickly as we can to get those new capabilities into the hands of our customers quickly so they can take advantage of them. In terms of cloud solutions, we now offer cloud across our platform, both as hosted models, but as SaaS also, so we really can get those benefits to those utility customers.
Fantastic. Do you envision a day when you'll only deliver SaaS? Do you think Onpremise for some of the utility apps will sort of go away?
You know, we're really moving forward fast in the cloud and especially the SaaS direction. I do see that there are areas like SCADA, like potentially OMS that may not always go full SaaS. There may be some areas of the world that just we can't move right now in the realities that we see right now. But wherever we can help utilities take advantage of SaaS or take advantage of hosted models, for instance, and some of those specific capabilities, we are pushing forward as hard as we can.
Right. I still get from our members and partners questions about what does IT do now and those types of things. Cybersecurity questions seems to be going down. I think people are finally realize, well, our core business is not managing large apps with cybersecurity with all the change going on. What are you guys hearing from your clients on those two topics?
Yeah, so especially in terms of cybersecurity, we hear a lot from our customers on this, and we really feel that comfort level is growing. So actually at a recent meeting, one of our utility executives said, do I think that my IT team can deliver better security for my solutions than Oracle? I don't think so. And we really hear that more and more now. There is that comfort level. We have a global team. We have that team that is constantly monitoring the latest security threats, not just to utilities, but to all industries. And that comfort level with that and with those experts is really growing. So I agree. I really don't see that as a top concern at all. I think that's actually agreed upon now as a benefit of SaaS. In terms of general, though, IT teams and what do IT teams do with SaaS? IT is now looking these utilities that are adopting cloud. The IT teams are looking at this as, I am a partner now here. I'm an advisor to the business. I was talking a couple weeks ago with a leader of IT who said, you know what, it's not like I'm going to take orders from the business and fill them whatever needs to be done. I'm going to fill it and I'm going to deliver it back. Now I work together with my business partner. They tell me what need they have, and I advise them on the best way to achieve that in our cloud environment. And to that point, they really do become that voice of long-term savings, long-term performance, and resilience of their total solutions, and act as those partners and advisors. And what's more, then they can focus more of their time on those projects that may drive innovation into the business, those new, exciting customer experience solutions that they want to explore, new programs, rather than having to focus on maintaining integrations and maintaining software patches and that kind of stuff. We could really offload that and focus on innovation.
That's great. So, big Oracle, a long time ago, decided to have a utilities focus. Y'all seem to have done a fantastic job on creating this unit, focus on applications in the business. Obviously, you're a leader in what you do. How are you continuing to build out the portfolio of apps and move them to the cloud? Is that an ongoing process? Sort of, how's that working for you guys?
Yes, absolutely ongoing. And we have, long ago transitioned over into Agile Development so that we can continue to rapidly push out new solutions, new capabilities. One of the core focus areas that we have is we know that utilities have a large technology ecosystem. Oracle has a large technology ecosystem. As we're pushing more solutions to the cloud, we're really focusing on making sure that we can simplify, deliver value-oriented solutions, simplify licensing, simplify integrations, make sure that we're looking after cloud-to-cloud integration, cloud-to-ground integration, really making it easy in the cloud. So, and on that point, we continue then to push forward on new solutions across the board. That's one of the things that SaaS really enables. So we've got some really exciting new solutions that we continue to push out in our customer engagement solution field. So some of the really cool O-Power solutions around energy efficiency, targeting time of use customers to really provide that rate coaching, help them understand what they're getting, help them understand how to take advantage of time of use rates, which we know has been a pretty major pain point. SaaS allows us to do that, to identify those pain points that our customers have and build solutions to really attack those.
Great. I'm hearing a lot in the last year about artificial intelligence and machine learning and those kind of things. I assume you're able to leverage new technologies from your big organization to help with utilities. How's that going? Are you doing anything along those lines?
Yes, and this is the fun stuff, right? This is
sure.
The really cool stuff. So we are absolutely using machine learning throughout our solutions. We, have the kind of the typical uses for it. We, throughout our analytics solutions, we use machine learning and deep learning to really drive disaggregation insights, so we can identify new electric vehicle owner on the grid, so that a network operator understands exactly where those electric vehicles are plugging in and potentially impacting the load pretty drastically. But additionally, we're able to provide those insights about how much is my heat pump, costing me throughout the month, and provide then targeted insights for customers for reducing their energy usage. We have a range of those analytics-driven solutions, again, targeting those pain points throughout our customer engagement solutions. But what I love about cloud and about the ability to really rapidly build out these capabilities is we don't just focus on customer engagement and some of those faster moving solutions. Typically, we can drive machine learning into our core enterprise solutions too because of cloud. Because as we learn more, as we fine tune those algorithms more and more, we can push those advancements, those improvements right into those core applications because they're SaaS. So for instance, we're using machine learning to make sure that our CIS, Customer Cloud Service, is context sensitive, context aware, to really guide users to what they should be doing when they're on a call in a call center. So a customer calls in with high bill projected. Let's surface a button that says, sign this customer up for budget billing. Sign them up for a program that helps them curb their energy usage. So really making that user interface smart, reactive to the situation, all of that is made possible by machine learning, and all of that we're able to continuously improve because of cloud deployment.
I like hearing that you've got real use cases. I hear this AI stuff and this pie in the sky stuff, but that's real usability functionality to help the customer use the software and be more productive. So that's fantastic. I know from when we talked a few months ago, you were telling me more about, or maybe it was a year ago, about you sort of changed your whole business model in regards to R&D so you can be really efficient at cloud SaaS models. Can you share a little bit about that, some of what y'all have done to help change your internal approach to software design and development?
Yeah, well, so our product team is just amazing. So many just smart, passionate people throughout that team. We've fully taken on Agile Development so that we, across enterprise solutions and more typically Agile solutions, we're pushing out new capabilities constantly. We also had that nice infusion from O-Power teams of really strong user experience design expertise, really amazing behavioral science knowledge that has all just been totally infused, not just in the typical O-Power solutions, but across our solution. So the user experience experts on our product team were able to redesign our user interface of Customer Cloud Service to make it that easy, intuitive look and feel that really guides the user through a seamless experience within the solution. It's that kind of broad philosophy changes to Agile, to focusing on user experience, to focusing on behavioral science throughout. This has really been exciting to see over the last couple of years.
Great. Anything else you have coming up you want to talk about? Any new big exciting thing in later 2019 or early 2020? Other than you're going to be at the Cloud for Utility Summit, of course.
Of course. We're excited to see our customers there as well. Yeah, we've got a lot of really exciting stuff coming across our solutions, driven again by cloud, to take on some of the biggest challenges we see around new solar customers, new electric vehicle customers, new drives towards water conservation and other things like that. That's as much as I can tell you for now without getting a little phone call later.
No worries. Well, thank you so much for your time today. I really appreciate you being here.
Thank you.
And look forward to seeing you down the road at the Cloud for Utility Summit.
Absolutely.
I'm Rick Cutter. Thank you for joining us today. See you soon at Cloud for Utilities.